Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to update your NVIDIA graphics card driver to version 610.62 on your Windows computer, and this is a clean install. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. It will take you to NVIDIA website. Select your graphic card. Make sure that you select your graphic card over here. This is just an example. You can check your graphic card, make a right click to the start menu, go to device manager, expand display adapter. Over here you can see your graphic card. For me it's 30 series and 3050. If it's a laptop you can select notebook. Select your operating system. If you have Windows 11, select Windows 11. If you have Windows 10, select Windows 10. Click on find. Make sure that you select your graphic card over here. Now on this page you will see the latest GeForce game ready driver, whichever is the latest GeForce. So right now it's 610.62. click on view and then click on download. And once the download is complete, you can run this exe file. Click on it and then click on yes to allow, and then click on OK, and then click on agree and continue. By default Express would be selected. You have to select custom option, click on next, and then put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation. Make sure that you put a check over here and then click on next. Once the clean installation is done, restart. You may let the process complete. Once done, restart your PC and then you should be able to update your NVIDIA graphic card driver. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.